Today, I'm going to be talking about something that I'm really excited about, Airwallex. If you're not familiar with Airwallex, it's a fintech company that's making it easier for businesses and individuals to send and receive money around the world. And I'm here to tell you that they're now covering even more countries than before. Airwallex was founded in 2015, and it's quickly become one of the most popular fintech companies in the world. They offer a variety of services, including international payments, currency exchange, and business banking. And now, they're available in even more countries, making it easier for people all over the world to use their services. So, how many countries are now covered by Airwallex? Well, the answer is 200. That's right, Airwallex is now available in 200 countries around the world. This means that you can use their services to send and receive money to and from almost anywhere in the world. This is a huge milestone for Airwallex, and it's a testament to their commitment to making their services available to as many people as possible. I'm really excited about this news, and I think it's a great opportunity for people to start using Airwallex for their international financial needs. In addition to the 200 countries that Airwallex is now available in, they also support over 150 currencies. This means that you can send and receive money in your preferred currency, no matter where you are in the world. Airwallex is also committed to providing its customers with the best possible experience. They offer a variety of features and benefits, including fast and secure transactions, low fees, 24/7 customer support, a user-friendly app. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to send and receive money internationally, I highly recommend checking out Airwallex. They're a great company with a lot to offer, and I'm sure you'll be happy with their services. With that said, thanks for watching.